A blessed day, everyone, and our devotion for today is found from the book of Deuteronomy, the fifth book of the Old Testament, chapter 11, verses 1 to 7. Love and serve the Lord. You shall therefore love the Lord your God and keep his charge, his statutes, his rules, and his commandments, always. And consider today, since I am not speaking to your children who have not known or seen it. Consider the discipline of the Lord your God, his greatness, his mighty hand, and his outstretched arm, his signs and his deeds that he did in Egypt, to Pharaoh the king of Egypt and to all his land, and what he did to the army of Egypt, to their horses and to their chariots, how he made the water of the Red Sea flow over them as they pursued after you, and how the Lord has destroyed them to this day, and what he did to you in the wilderness until you came to this place, and what he did to Dathan and Abiram, and the sons of Eliab, son of Reuben, how the earth opened its mouth and swallowed them up with their household, their tents, and every living things that followed them in the midst of all Israel. For your eyes have seen all the great work of the Lord that he did. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Good evening, everyone. My devotion for today is from Deuteronomy chapter 11, verse 8 to 14. Observe therefore all the commands I'm giving you today, so that you may have the strength to go in and take over the land that you are crossing the Jordan to possess, and so that you may live long in the land the Lord swore to your ancestors to give to them and their descendants, a land flowing with milk and honey. The land you are entering to take over is not like the land of Egypt, from which you have come, where you planted your seed and irrigated it by foot, as in a vegetable garden. But the land you are crossing the Jordan to take possession of is a land of mountains and valleys that drinks rain from heaven. It is a land the Lord your God cares for. The eyes of the Lord your God are continually on it from the beginning of the year to its end. So if you faithfully obey the commands I'm giving you today, to love the Lord your God and to serve him with all your heart and with all your soul, then I will send rain on your land in its season, both autumn and spring rains, so that you may gather in your grain, new wine and olive oil. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 11, verse 15 to 20. Love and obey the Lord. I will provide grass in the fields of your cattle, and you will eat and be satisfied. Be careful, or you will be enticed to turn away and worship other gods and bow down to them. Then the Lord's anger will burn against you, and he will shut the heavens so that it will not rain, and the ground will yield no produce. And you will soon perish from the good land the Lord is giving you. Fix these words of mine in your hearts and minds. Tie them as a symbols of your hands and bind them on your foreheads. Teach them to your children, talking about them when you sit and at home, and when you walk along the road, when you lay down, and when you get up. Write them on the door frames of your houses and on your gates. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 11. Love and serve the Lord. I'll be reading from verse 21 to 26, and here is the scriptures. That your days and the days of your children may be multiplied in the land that the Lord swore to your fathers to give them, as long as the heavens are above the earth. For if you will be careful to do all this commandment that I command you to do, loving the Lord your God, walking in all his ways, and holding fast to him, then the Lord will drive out all these nations before you, and you will dispossess nations greater and mightier than you. Every place on which the sole of your foot treads shall be yours. Your territory shall be from the wilderness to the Lebanon, and from the river Euphrates, to the western sea. No one shall be able to stand against you. The Lord your God will lay the fear of you and the dread of you on all the land that you shall tread, as he promised you. See, I am sitting before you today, a blessing and a curse. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 11, verses 27 to 32. The blessing if you obey the commands of the Lord your God that I am giving you today. The curse if you disobey the commands of the Lord your God and turn from the way that I command you today by following other gods which you have not known. When the Lord your God has brought you into the land you are entering to possess, you are to proclaim on Mount Gerizim the blessings and on Mount Ebal the curses. As you know, these mountains are across the Jordan, west of the road, towards the setting sun, near the great trees of Moreh, in the territory of those Canaanites living in the Arabah, in the vicinity of Gilgal. You are about to cross the Jordan to enter and take possession of the land the Lord your God is giving you. When you have taken it over and are living there, be sure that you obey all the decrees and laws I am setting before you today. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.